Good evening, all. Yesterday I was supposed to take live session, could not do it. Sorry for that. So I'm just making the clay bottle art. It's very easy. So I'm using this bottle. This is a lantern type bottle. You can hang it. I'm using this. This bottle is already decorated with some kundans, but still I'm going to decorate this with the clay work. I'll be teaching you how to make flowers and leaves in a very easy manner so that you can decorate not only on the bottle, on any surface. Okay. So you need powder, any powder. I'm just using one normal powder. Molded clay, you will get in two parts. You have to mix and make into one part. If you buy ready-made clay like air dry clay or whatever clay available in the market, you have many varieties of clay available. You can use anything, but I am using molded, which comes in two parts. Okay, so you have to take this in equal proportion and make into one proper clay so that you will be able to do it. Then to make it easy, I am using these molds. These are all cutters which is used for cake making, fondant cutters, but I am using for clay art. Once you use for clay art, you can't use it for cooking purpose anymore. It is again used only for clay purpose or jewelry making, something like that. Don't use it back again to edible items. You have a lot of different molds. This is butterfly mold. This is flower. Hope you all can see. These are all small size. This is small size. These are very big size. Okay. So depending on the size which we need, we can do it. And you have other tools to shape it also. Just with these tools alone you can shape. Even though you don't have mold, with these tools you can shape it. I'll just show you. You have all types of tools. Plastic tools only. So now I will teach you how to make a. Now I'll just put powder on my hand and on the mat. Always use a messy mat so you don't spoil the table. Take equal quantity. I'm just using this tool alone. Same amount you have to cut. I'm just taking a very small part and showing you all. Apply powder on all the items you are using because it gets, see. So the leftover you can cover and keep it so that you can reuse anytime. Because once you miss, within some time it will get hardened, so you can't use it later. So better take how much you need. I have to mix with the powder. Without powder you cannot mix. It will be very difficult. Now, like chapati dough, knead well. It will take 2-3 minutes. Always don't use the entire packet unless otherwise if it is a big project, you are making some bird body or animal or some figure, human figure, you are making it where you need really a big size, then make it. Otherwise take only how much ever is needed. Every time you can freshly make this. This is just one type of clay. You can use any clay which is available in the market. So once you mix, you will be getting a full white color. It will be in two different colors. Once you mix, it will be completely in white color. So now, instead of remaking all the designs, I'll just tell how to use the cutters. The last clay making homemade clay, I just show you ready-made silicone molds where you can just keep it on it and take the impression. That is one type. This you are using cutters. Just you have to spread. I'm using a leaf mold. Okay, you have a back for this to press also. First, just press, then it automatically comes out. Otherwise, you have to just give a push. That's all. I'll use one more mold and show you. I'm using butterfly mold. Even it has backside you can push it. So put little bit of powder. Just press it. First press it. Then if it doesn't come, you press on the backside. You can see butterfly. Like this you can use as many designs you want, and as it will take some time to dry, I have already made few flowers. See the sound you get? In half an hour time it got dry, and it can be used. All different types of flowers I made, flowers and leaves. So now you have to fix. This is a bottle. Just with Fevicol or glue alone you cannot do it. So you have to keep some clay on this. Then the same clay, what we mixed, the same clay. Then you need to fix the flower. Otherwise it will not get fixed. Take little amount of clay, keep wherever you want. If needed, you can put glue first, then again you can keep this. Like this, you can fix the flowers. Now we can use Fevicol also. I am just putting the glue here, any glue. But you can't fix directly on the glue, it will not stick. So take some clay, fix it in the glue, fix this flat. Now it is intact. And the other parts also just fix it. Take just very little part. Now fix it. glue, little bit of this clay, then the flowers. It will get stick. Just within some time it will be dry. So like that you can fix all the flowers. If you want, you can color the bottle, but I did not color because the bottle already has a yellow shade in it, so I didn't color. But if you want, you can very well color it. Coloring is just nothing but with acrylic colors you can do. Otherwise it's a glass bottle, you can use even glass colors. For the flowers you can use colors. On top of any plain glass, if you are going to color, don't put directly the colors because it will not fix. You have to put white color, either the primer or gesso or white acrylic colors, something as a base, white base. Then you can give any other shade of color. See, it's coming out nice. Few more flowers are there. So almost all the flowers are done. Just two more are there, and I will fix leaves also and once the entire bottle is dry, after this session I will send the picture in the page. So once this is completely dry and after I color everything, I will send the picture in every page. Now you can see. Now I'll just keep one or two leaves here and there and show you. Just randomly you keep, it's just your designer bottle. No need to fix onto the you can fix below the leaves also or randomly, that's up to you. I'll just fix one or two leaves, that's all. So this is a just demo like how to use the cutters. take some time to dry. So every time we don't want to make the flowers on our own, with this cutters also you can use it. I just color 2-3 flowers and show you. Once it is fully dry, I just take the picture and send it to you all. It's a deep brilliant purple. Amazing. Even for the flowers you can put white and again give the shading, it gives a different effect. Or directly also you can give this color. As it already, the clay is in white color, you can directly give the color. This needs at least 2 coating of this color, it doesn't fix otherwise. The brush strokes will be visible. And you can't pressure more because it is not still dry, it will fall. So slightly I am just giving it for an idea. So once it is dry, I will take the entire picture and post it in it. Any doubts you can message in the comment section, will clear your doubts. Because many message that ma'am, how to use clay if you want to make different varieties of flowers, how to use. So every flower we did not make on our own. These cutters are always useful. If you find this you don't have, you can use your own children mold, clay mold. With that also you get some cutters. Normal cookie cutters also you get, but that will be big, but you can choose the sizes and designs. So now I am using orange color. This orange does not need 2 coats because it's quite thick, but the purple which I use needs 1 more coating. I'm using sap green. And this needs 2 coating because you can see the transparency again. So like this you can use the cutters, either these are all cake fondant cutters, you can use cookie cutter or aluminum cutters or your children toy cutters, anything you can use. With that you can create your own designs. As this is all surface clay, you can use this on plastic, glass, wood, anywhere you can use. And once it is dry, it is very easy to fix, but don't fix directly. Put some glue, then take little bit of clay So another 5-10 minutes it will dry, so I have to use it. I'll use some impression. So take little bit, use wisely where it is needed, then your clay bottle art is done. It is a very simple way it is done. Otherwise you can have a theme like creeper with grapes, or a creeper going like this with flowers and leaves. It's your creation. However you want, you can create. So thank you all. See you in a very nice session next time. Thanks Skill Nook admin for giving an opportunity. Have a great day. Bye.